Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy updo. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and all we're going to do is gather up the crown section of the hair and tie this at the back of the head with a clear elastic band. Make a little hole behind the elastic band with your fingers and pass the tail ends of the ponytail up to your fingers and pull them all the way through the hole to create a twist. Now we're going to section off one side of the head from the ear upwards. Bring this to the middle of the back of the head and tie it with another elastic band. Create a small hole above the elastic band and flip your ends through so you've got another twist. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. Add some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then all we're going to do is gently pinch and pull those twists so it gives it a little bit more messy volume. Repeat this on all 3 twists. On the right hand side, pull that twist to meet the middle at the back and secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Pinch and pull the opposite side and then also pin this to the head in the middle. Split the remaining hair in half and we're going to pop each half into a low ponytail. Divide one of those ponytails in half and create a loose twist by wrapping the sections around one another. Now we're just going to bring that twist up and over the top of the other ponytail and secure it to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. Do the same on the other ponytail, so create a loose twist and then pin it to the head on the right hand side, and then all we're going to do is bring the ends of that twist underneath that first twist and pin them all along, and any tail ends just twist and pin them up and underneath the bun. Add some more texture spray all over your bun and then spend a few minutes just pinching and pulling. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.